Okay? Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back mga ka-Racket to another Racket Series content. I'm Chris and this is the Racket Core channel. For today's content, so balik pa rin tayo dun sa original content natin, which is the opening of One Piece trading card games or ripping the packs. Ayan. So what we have here is we're gonna open another OP15 na box. Ayan. So we're gonna rip this or kukuha lang tayo ng mga packs inside of this and then we're gonna open it for our today's content. Okay? But for today's content, we're gonna open only half of the packs inside. So probably 12 packs lang yung i-open natin. And then, ayun, let's go guys. So this box came actually from Toy Kingdom. So Toy Kingdom, thank you for making this a wonderful opportunity for me dahil nabigyan niyo ako ng box. Okay? Let's go, guys. So, naka-seal pa siya. Just to let you know. Ayan. Not like with Gameline, is parang naka-open na. I'm not sure why. Okay. All intact. Ayan. Oops. All intact tayo dyan. Okay. Kuha lang tayo ng 6. Again, kukuha tayo from the back. Diba, nung sa mga previous episodes natin. Sabi ko, pag kumuha ka sa front, yun yung mga swerte, mga ganda yung mga cards. But, let's see if we're getting from the back right now. Pag sa OP15, pag kumuha ka sa back. Kasi parang yung previous episode ko, nagsimula ako dun sa mga back packs is magaganda. Then, yung mga natira sa front is yung mga pangit. So, kukuha tayo from the back naman ulit. Kaya natin kung ganun talaga yung ano niya. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kaya natin yung 12. From the back. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, pag may nakita kayo naka-open na ganito, tas swerte lahat coming from the back, sa likod kayo kumuha. Kung kaka-open lang. Ayan. 12. I-open natin yung 12 for this episode of One Piece opening pack rips. Okay. So, let's go. Open ko na lang ulit siya ng scissor. So, baba natin ng konti para makita niyo yung ginagawa. Again guys, just to let you know, for those who actually subscribe already on my channel, you have a chance to win a booster box of your choice. Depende na lang kung ano yung magiging result ng outcome ng mga pulls natin from this video. So if we able to get a God pack, then probably I can give you one booster box of your choice. Bahala ka na kung gusto mong Pokemon, One Piece, or any other trading card games like Gundam, something like that. If we hit a manga, then probably I'm also gonna give you 3 boxes. Okay? Boxes of your choice yun, ha? Kung ano yung available dun sa mall ninyo. Okay? So, here we go. All 12 packs opened, and hopefully we are able to secure a manga or a God pack here. So let's go guys. Okay. Again guys, hinugot natin to from the back. From the back. Ayan. So, pagka magaganda to, ibig sabihin, pag may inopen na box na ganito, kumuha kayo from the back. Okay? Huwag kayo kumuha sa front. Kasi feeling ko pangit. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung tama nga yung hinala natin. So, let's see. Fourth. Fifth card is a rare card. Tama. A rare event card. Leader card. And then, a rare card. Ayan. So, parang pangalawang pack na yan. Ito na yung pangatlong pack. Okay, yan ang sinasabi ko eh. So, meron ng SR ulit. Yeah, si Enel din yata ito eh. Ayan. Another SR. So, nakaisa na tayo. Tayo from the back. So, parang third pack from the back. Another rare card. And another rare card. Another rare card ulit. Leader card. And another rare card. Robin. Dawn card. And a rare card. Rare card ulit. Naku po. Isa pa lang yung lumala. Mali yata ako. So, talagang sa front nga. Mas madami yung chances na sa front sa tingin ko. Compare dun sa likod. Baka nagkataon lang. Or mali lang siguro yung check ko dun sa pagbalasa. Kasi sinabay-sabay natin dun sa isang episode. Nalito na siguro ako. Baka front pa din galing yun. Yeah, so from my observation, this is the fifth one that ayun nga, nasa front pa din yung mga magaganda. So, isa lang ang nakuha natin dito from the back. Ito lang. Okay. So, hopefully, on opening the other 12 packs later, makita natin yung hinahanap natin, di ba? So, ito lahat to galing to sa likod. So, much better kung sa harapan pa din tayo kukuha. Kapag ka inopen pa lang, yung mga nasa harapan na yung kunin nyo, guys. I recommend that. Out of 5, baka nalito lang ako dun sa pag-shuffle ko dun sa last episode natin or dun sa mga previous episodes ko. But, I can guarantee na mostly from the front yung nasa magagandang packs. Front 12. First 12, I guess. Okay? Yun lang. Tips ko lang yun, ha. That's for me. It's up to you if you will follow my directions. But again, guys, for more videos like this, just click like and then subscribe on my YouTube channel. Ayan. Again, this is Chris of the Racket Core. See you again on the next episode for opening the remaining 12 of the OP15 One Piece Trading Card Games. See you guys. Bye-bye.